Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy smartwatch and bypass or remove the pattern password or screen lock. First, press the power key for a few seconds and power off the device. Wait until it's completely switched off. And hold down the power key until the rebooting screen appears. When the rebooting screen pops up, release the power button and start pressing it very quickly. Let me show you. Hold the power key and wait for the rebooting screen. Now release power and press it quickly again. This is the reboot mode, where you can choose options by pressing power quickly and select by holding it for about 2 seconds. Scroll down to choose recovery and hold power for 2 seconds. The device is now performing the hard reset. The smartwatch is erasing all data. Wait until the operation is completed. The welcome panel appears, meaning you've successfully restored default settings on the smartwatch. As you can see, there's no pattern or password, so you can start activating the device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up under the video.